gets so hard sometimes. I feel stuck in a narrow fence between grief and gratitude, between a parish and a gravesite. The last time I heard a plane crash, it was India. 260 lives nose diving to Moksha. And I imagine glass slapping on concrete. I imagine the shattered hopes and destinies. The earth cord and an aircraft full of screaming voices respond. Isn't that what we call jazz music? The sound of tragedy. Look at the irony. A life that takes 9 long months to form is gone in an instant. Puff. Makes me wonder, isn't disaster a sprint racer, always waiting on its heels? Most days I find myself grieving so much for the bereaved. I become numb to the joy of living. I become handicapped to their pain. I become pain wasted under the rain of bullets on an Easter Sunday. You know what scares me more than death? It is how easy it is to lose one's life. Just flip the switch and watch the world go dark.